Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Choose a cloud provider and create an account with multi-factor authentication enabled. Pick a region close to your users to reduce latency and costs. Review pricing tiers and estimate usage to avoid surprise bills. Consider a 99.9% uptime SLA when evaluating service reliability for production workloads. Allocate an initial 1 TB of storage or configure quotas per project as needed. Tag resources clearly using name, environment, and owner to maintain organization and simplify billing. Use role-based access control and grant least privilege to user roles for every resource. Enable logging and monitor events continuously with alerts for suspicious activity. Enable encryption at rest and in transit using provider keys or customer-managed keys. Configure network rules and limit public access to necessary endpoints only. Set up automated backups daily and retain snapshots for at least 30 days to ensure recoverability. Test restores periodically to verify backup integrity, and your rollback procedures are effective. Deploy infrastructure as code using templates or Terraform to enable repeatable provisioning. Use CI pipelines to validate configuration and run security scans before deployment. Use auto-scaling with sensible thresholds. For example, scale out at 70% CPU usage to handle load spikes. Implement cost monitoring and set budgets with alerts to control monthly spend and prevent surprises. Schedule non-production instances to shut down outside business hours to save costs. Continuously review performance metrics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.